All right, in this step, we want to learn how we can use static parameters in C# Unity. For example, we will have public integer score equals 0, okay? But with using a static before integer, we can have access to this score from another script by this option. Start, okay? The name of this class, part21 dot score. Just this. No need to add public component, the public part 21 here or anything else. Just with this structure and make it equal to, okay? And in here, we can define even the functionalities. For example, let's have public static integer add, for example. And here we can say integer a and integer b. And let's return us a plus b. Okay, we made our own function. Okay, so in the part 20, we can say whenever we say public, void update, okay, if input dot get key down key code dot f, okay, let's add print result plus part21 dot add. Look at this, and here we have said part score, and then the second parameter can be 5. Okay, now look at this. Let's come back to the Unity, and here part main camera. Our function was part 20, right? Okay, drag and drop part 20 here, and now look at this. Okay, and I press F. Look at this. The result is 7. Do you know why? Because we already put number 2 for a score at the void start, and whenever we press part F, we plus part of school, current part of school plus 5. So if I press one time again, it will be 12. No, it is the same. Yeah, it is the same result. Yeah, because it is always the same. We didn't add here. Maybe for getting this result, I have to. Oh, sorry. Why did it still play? Okay, I need to say. Something like this. Okay, and now print score plus score. Okay, now it will be like this. Excuse me. Okay, part F 12, 17, 22, 27. Yes, that's it. Okay, this is the definition of static. In static variable and static function, we can have access to each parameters at anywhere we want, but just with calling the function and the class name and dot and call that item we want. Okay, let's go to the next step.